The high block. The high block. Sangdang Mahk. Sangdang Mahk. Jam load. Bring your blocking hand down and across your body with the palm facing upward. Bring your opposite hand across your body on top of your other hand. The arms should be parallel. Block. Bring your downward hand upwards as you begin to chamber your other hand. Stop the hand above the head with the palm facing out. Make sure the arm is angled down 45 degrees. Load. Bring it up. Block. Load. Bring it up. Block. Load. Bring it up. Block. The high block. Moving down the floor with a stance.